anything. Just say whatever you want to.
Or just take a picture with the card too. You can put it on the website too.
Oh yeah. I guess can you turn it off so
Yeah.
you can hear? All right. So how was your experience buying the car?
Definitely I recommend you come by and purchase with you. Awesome cars. It's like a toys place in this garage.
Yeah.
100% recommended. Come and just purchase and then follow us on Instagram, jobimports.com. Thank you.
Yep. And how? Where are you from?
I'm from Connecticut.
How long did it take you to get here?
It took me like around 3 hours.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, worth the drive. Definitely worth it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy what I got. It's gonna be my project car. So.
And you said you have a blue Del Sol?
I also own a blue 92 SIR Transtop, and I just own a City, right-hand drive City, 1991. Definitely beautiful cars.
Yeah.
Nice cars to work on. So
Yeah.
happy, so excited to just take it back to Connecticut and start modifying and everything. I'll keep it all stacked the way it is.
That's what you're gonna keep it all stock?
This is a rare thing right here. You don't want to see these cars anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna put wheels or anything, or just keep it?
Yeah, maybe some wheels, maybe suspension. I'm not sure about that yet. Maybe like a little daily drive for a little bit. We'll see.
Yeah.
You will see all the updates on my website. So.
On your Instagram?
Instagram.
Yeah. Cool. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is CarlosAP1. You can check right in there.
Cool. Do you have any last thing to say?
Just come by and get a tour for the shop. Pretty cool cars that I never see it before. And just come and pick that up a car from here. I love that. All the customer service are great to deal with it. First time I talked to the owner, I always deal it from my phone, text. Everything was fine. Everything was smooth. I got nothing to complain about it. So good reviews for you.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.